They cover nearly 70% of our planet's surface, are home to over 1 million plant and animal species, and even though they're not our home, we sure spend a lot of time in them. Yep, our oceans are incredibly important, and if they could speak, they'd probably say something like, "Hello, please look after us."
And doing that starts with education, which is what this place is all about.
It's about discovery learning and inspiring our visitors to want to make a difference to our marine and coastal life, and learning about what they can do at home or at school to actually look after our very special marine environment.
But who says you can't have a little fun while you learn? Here you can learn all different tips and facts in an interactive way.
Whether it's about looking after their water at home, or whether it's about not catching too many fish, or fish that are too big or too small, depending on the species. We've had some fantastic posters up in the Marine Centre over the years, but the kids never actually look at them. But they'll see an interactive model, something that they can push, something that they can interact with, and they go straight to it and want to, discover more about it.
It doesn't get more interactive than also heading to the beach for a marine discovery trail.
A little bit of a tip for you guys. The slower you walk along the beach, the more stuff you're probably going to find. And we want to make sure that we have a chance to check out and discover plenty of things today.
Seaweed smells weird, don't you reckon?
Yeah, it smells like salt.
So this is actually a reaction that sand has when a lightning bolt has struck it. Now what we call this is called fulgurite. Would you like to say that with me? Fulgurite.
So why do you think doing things like this is so important?
Well, I think it's really important for the children to get a feel of how important all of our environments are, if it's land environment or marine environment, and kind of inspiring them that all the things that they do on their day-to-day life can have an effect on the bigger picture, which is our marine environment.
And with over 600 million kilograms of rubbish entering our oceans each year, they can use all the help they can get.
So these guys here are called oysters, and they like to use little other surfaces like an empty shell or even just a rock, and they'll glue onto them and use these things as a home. So this shell, even though it's empty at the moment, it can still be a home once it goes all the way back out there into the ocean.
So if it's a necklace, do you think that means you can wear it around your neck? Like a necklace? See, it says Neptune necklace. Neptune necklace.
We're the teachers, but they are as well. So they're going to walk away with many of this knowledge that they have, that they learned today, and then walk away to try to explain to other people as well.
So, our oceans can't talk, which is why it's so important that we speak for them. And I'd say they agree.